Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new video. Today OnePlus has launched the OnePlus 9 series, and today here in this video we are going to talk about the OnePlus 9R. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. I'm super excited to make this video as the OnePlus 9R takes the title of the flagship killer at its budget. So reading out the specs, OnePlus 9R comes with a Snapdragon 870 5G processor and with a UFS 3.1 type storage. When UFS 3.1 is compared to UFS 2.1, it is 198 times better. Moving on to the display, OnePlus 9R comes with 120Hz Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED Display 2.0. This time they have went for the flat display, not for the curved display. The phone has 2.5D curved glass. Talking about the battery, the phone comes with 4500 mAh battery and with the wrap charge 65, which is totally awesome. OnePlus 9R comes with Sony IMX586 48MP main camera, and then talking about the others, 16MP ultra wide and 5MP macro lens and 2MP monochrome lens. This is different from OnePlus Nord. Now talking about the software, of course the phone comes with Oxygen OS globally, but in China it has come with a color OS. The phone is available in two colors, in lake blue and carbon black. And talking about the price, OnePlus 9R series is priced aggressively. OnePlus 9R gives close competition to the Poco F3, and yeah, we have seen the pricing of the Poco F3. The price was aggressively set, and now in India, OnePlus 9R has become the first phone to give the 870. Now talking about this price range, I'm pretty much excited and pretty much happy seeing the price range, and people who are thinking to buy the OnePlus Nord, maybe not so many people, but yeah, I suggest to go with the OnePlus 9R as it is the better version compared to OnePlus Nord. So OnePlus 9R is expected to launch at 38,000. I will leave a detailed price and spec sheet down in the description, so don't forget to check it out, and do share your comments and thoughts on OnePlus 9R and 9 series launch event in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video to your OnePlus friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to get notified about any latest tech videos related on OnePlus. So thanks for watching guys, I'm Diwakar signing off, and I will meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Moving on to the display part, OnePlus 9R comes with 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED 2.2